Barça fans, it's August and the pressure is on. If the Camp Nou wants to host Champions League nights in September, UEFA needs the green light this month. But is the stadium ready? Today on GOAT Sports, we're diving into the latest progress, from new turf to the towering pillars and the all-important diamond zone. Let's kick things off at Goal Sur, and already we're spotting big changes. New access doors are being installed beyond just the stands, now extending into the south goal area. Drywall supports are up, and the glass facade work continues, with a correction from last week. Those panels aren't black, they're dark blue. Painters are touching up beams, and fences are going in fast. Progress is visible from top to bottom. Over at the lateral parking and VIP sections, work is ramping up. Pipes run beneath the slabs, and although the third slab hasn't started rebar yet, we're seeing scaffolding and fence drilling ramping up. Some areas still await glass, but the platforms and crews are busy prepping. At the VIP slab, concrete's already been poured on one side, with more ongoing on the right. Everything's shaping up toward that final phase. Now to the diamond. Always a hive of activity. Workers are laying primer under the seats and prepping floor panels. Most panels are already in, with just a few gaps left. Once those are covered, it's onto the rebar and concrete pour. Honeycomb panels are being prepped, safety nets are going up, and materials are being staged for quick installation. It's moving fast, but it's still not done. At Goal Norte, the stairs are nearly finished and new concrete is covering the area around the tower crane. Reinforcement bars are going in thick and fast, with prefab elements, panels, and stair reinforcements keeping workers busy. The composite slabs here are fully formed and smoothed out, and finishing touches like plaster and hallways are being swept and finalized. The north side is getting tidy and almost match ready. Big milestone alert. Artificial turf is finally being laid down near the sidelines. It looks fantastic. Meanwhile, crews are prepping corner areas with more panels and nets. Glass installed in the south stand storefronts still isn't winning beauty contests, but progress is progress. And in the hallways, drywall supports are up, stair railings are being decided, and debris is being cleared. We're nearing the finish line, but it's not quite time to celebrate yet. This week's biggest wins? Turf on the pitch, slabs in place, glass going up, and massive structural work completed on both goals and the diamond. But don't forget, UEFA needs confirmation this month to allow Champions League play here. That means no slowing down. Will the next update bring official approval? We're watching every beam, slab, and screw to find out. Don't miss next week's visuals. Things are about to speed up. Subscribe to GOAT Sports and hit that like if you want to see every step of Camp Nou's rebirth.